Computer science and engineering is one of the most in-demand fields among the IT companies. To fulfill the demands of the IT industry, Mangalam University has acknowledged the need of the hour by collaborating with the IT giant IBM and Microsoft to offer students B.Tech Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning, and will include courses like Python with clean coding, big data analytics, and many more. With the prime focus on the relevant areas of computer science guided by industry experts, this collaboration will be fruitful for students as it will make them industry ready and will create a multitude of career opportunities. What makes our course unique? Innovative curriculum jointly developed by IBM and Microsoft experts. IBM Big Data Analytics Lab for practical learning. Teaching by experienced university faculties as well as IBM and Microsoft experts for an in-depth understanding. Internship and live project opportunities at the leading corporate houses. Globally accredited certification by IBM and Microsoft. Excellent placement opportunities in field of FMCG, healthcare, stock market, finance, automobile industry, and many more. So, don't wait anymore and step further into the field of computer science and engineering offered by Mangalam University. Enroll now to reserve your seat. Visit www.krmangalam.edu.in
or call us at 0114 8884 888.